Hello YouTube, welcome to my studio apartment. My name is Simon and I'm gonna give you a tour. This is a 100 square foot apartment in Kirkland, Washington, which is a suburb of Seattle. Very cute little city, but I'll show you my content den. This is where I am conducting my business, working 2 jobs. This is where I'm going to become a social media superstar. The very methodical method. But first you need an apartment tour. So with my nice Sony a6000, you could see the bed and the 4K camera that I use for work on top of the bed. You can see an iPhone and a light, and this is my TikTok and Instagram video setup. There's some gadgets over there. And then behind me, you can see my guitar, which is where I compose my little tunes. I absolutely love playing guitar, but I am very terrible at singing sometimes. Most of the time. If you've seen my YouTube, you're on my YouTube channel right now, you can scroll down and find some videos of me singing. It's not pretty. It's not pretty. But I still love to play guitar. I've got all of my rompers, which will hopefully be hung up by the end of the day. Unfortunately, there was a snowstorm, so all of the hangers that I bought are missing. They were supposed to arrive by 7:30, which is 40 minutes from now, but you know how Amazon does things. They'll say 40 minutes later, and then they'll delay it again, and they won't tell you if it's just not going to come today, unfortunately. But this is the setup. The door, this is my makeshift rack. This dilapidated scooter is what I'm using as a coat rack for now. And I got some shoes up here. I am a real fashion designer because I have fabric hanging on different parts of my apartment. That is the measure of whether you're a fashion designer or not, is how much fabric do you have lying around your apartment. And then of course we have the bathroom, which is where I stay fit. I got the pull-up bar, I got the dip bars, and then I have the ground for push-ups. Guys, that is literally all you need to stay fit. Quick tour of the workstation. You can see it from the top cam. I have 3 computers and an iPad. And you might be asking yourself, Simon, why the hell do you need to do with 3 computers? And I'll tell you what we do with 3 computers. This computer right here, this gray one, is what I use in job number 1 to clock in and out of job number 1. This computer right here is what I use for job number 2, for video editing, and for the romper business. So I design things on there. I message with the manufacturers on there. And I conduct my specific activities for job number 2, which will remain nameless. And then the last computer is for job number 1, and that's where I do the actual activities for job number 1. Remember, the gray computer is for clocking in and out. The black computer is for the activities of job number 1. Stay up. Come on, come on. We gotta stay with it. You gotta stay with it. Then we have the iPad. And the iPad is what I use across the board. I use it for a little bit in job 2, a little bit in job 1, a little bit for the business. I use it for everything. It is where all of the ideas come together and mate. I don't know what's wrong with me. That's basically it. That's the whole tour. Oh, you can see my little kitchen. My apartment doesn't actually even come with a kitchen. It literally, I bought half of this stuff, and right now there's rice sitting in the rice cooker, and I need to cook it. I've got protein. I've got books. I've got books in Russian. Потому что я говорю по-русски. I speak Russian if you didn't know. Is there anything else that you need to see in this apartment before we get out of here? No. I'm learning a TikTok dance right now, and it's very difficult. Man, learning choreography truly is one of the most rewarding but difficult things that you can do, really. So I'm going to finish this. And then I'm going to edit this video together, and then we're going to be off to the races, and you're going to know exactly where everything is positioned in my apartment and the city that it's in. Come visit me. See you guys later. Simon Peacocks out. I don't know what my full... Simon Jackson out? I haven't figured out what I'm calling... I think my audience will be called Peacocks, because the company, I think it will be called We Peacock. And we'll just be peacocks. I don't know. Anyway, see you guys.
Although I got love for you, I still can't change your way. You say you need me the most, only 'cause I'm here with you.